Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the Fetch TV Mighty streaming box from Optus. It's a powerful streaming box with plenty of features and benefits, so let's dive right in. First of all, you see the box here. We'll compare it to the Fetch TV Mighty's predecessor, the Fetch TV Series 2. It's similar in size to the box. Gives you a bit of an idea of what we're looking at once we open it up. So let's dive right in. First of all, we see the Fetch TV box from Optus. It's quite sleek and inviting. We just pop that tab, lift the top, have a look inside. First we find the Fetch TV unit. It's quite sleek. The design is minimalistic with a glossy black finish. It'll blend seamlessly with your entertainment setup. Next, we see the included remote control for the Mighty. Comparing it to its predecessor from the Fetch TV Series 2, it's a lot more simplified, a bit more of a modern design, less complicated to use. The bottom of the box is split into two different sections. We have our cables in our first section. First up, we see our Ethernet cable. As you'll notice, this cable is color-coded yellow, and that'll make sense shortly. The next cable we have is our HDMI cable, which is color-coded white. This will make sense when we see the back of the box, and the connections that we plug into are also color-coded. The other section, we find our batteries for our remote and our power cable, which is coded red to make it a bit easier once you're plugging that into the back of the box. So let's talk about some features and benefits, and why the Fetch TV Mighty really stands out. First up, it supports 4K streaming, so enjoy your favorite shows and movies in stunning 4K clarity. It has a massive 1TB hard drive for storage, so you can record up to 585 hours of content. Fetch TV also supports multiple streaming apps, so access Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Stan and more directly from the box. It also has multi-room, so connect additional Fetch mini boxes for the multi-room viewing. It has voice search using the remote's voice search feature to find content effortlessly. You can also set restrictions for family-friendly viewing with the parental controls. Other benefits is the convenience. Say goodbye to juggling multiple remotes. Fetch TV Mighty simplifies your entertainment experience. With Catch-Up TV, never miss any of your favorite shows ever again. Record shows while you're away and watch them later. Sports and pay-per-view events can be enjoyed through Fetch. You can customize it by choosing various channel packs to suit your interest. The universal remote allows you to control your TV and the Fetch box all on the one remote. There's plenty of how-to videos as well if you're unsure, so you can learn about all these features through on-screen tutorials. So in summary, the Fetch TV Mighty combines the convenience and storage and 4K streaming. Whether you're a movie buff or a sports fan, it's a game changer. So once again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. If you have a Fetch TV box, leave a comment down below. Once again, I want to thank everyone for watching. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.